What's up guys, and welcome to Give Me Tech Reviews, where today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and a quick comparison between the Logitech MX Master 3 and the MX Master 3 for Macs. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get to the review. Now, one of the first and obvious things about the comparison is going to be the boxing. The new Mac version of the MX Master 3 is in white, because we know how classy Apple is, how modern. And then we have the original MX Master 3s in the black box. Now, as I do the somewhat of unboxing, it's going to be pretty quick and easy. I wanted to start from pulling the mouse out of the box, or the box outside of the box. So here's the one. We're going to start off with the Mac version, black box, Logitech MX Master, original, same thing. And I'm going to tell you now that one of the main things that I see is missing, because I've already opened up the original, is going to be, which is the dongle, the unified dongle that allows you to put it on the Mac, Linux, Windows, whatever the case may be. And on the Mac one, there is none. Mac believes in their good old Bluetooth, which is reliable, I will say. Difference number two is going to be the cable. Like I said, I've already been using the MX Master Original 3, so I have the cable here, and with the cable you have a USB Type-C to USB Type-A. And with the iPadOS version, you have USB Type-C to USB Type-C. That's difference number two. It's not going to be much difference between the two. Scroll wheel, one and the same. The third and main difference that I've seen is here. You have your space gray Mac, and you have your graphite black version of the original MX Master 3. Go ahead and do the satisfying sticker peel. So now, over the course of a few months of using this MX Master 3, I have not used the Mac version as of yet. Other than that, that's the true three major differences between these two. The space gray versus the graphite or black. Within the box, this is the Mac version, this is the Windows version, and it has the dongle. And last but not least, number three, Apple Mac version and the universal version that works on Linux, Windows, and Macs, by the way, because I use it on my Mac now. That's another thing, if you want to call it a number four, that I did find out is on the back, the Mac one, you have a gentleman with his hand with the mouse, and on the original, it's the wee little mouse all by itself. So, still has the mag speed. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That pretty much wraps up this video. I'll do a follow-up video in the future and let you know if I did experience anything different than these 3/4 differences that I did find, and let you guys know. But as of right now, this is Kirk from Give Me Tech Reviews, and I'm signing out. Let me go ahead and try this bad boy up. Take care. Y'all be safe.